2 minutes.
2 minutes? Ano yan? Long,
Diba?
long answer or pipili lang? Pipili lang, te?
Wait lang.
Pipili ka lang.
Hindi, sagutin niyo yung next pass, gano'n. Pass.
Kailangan, kung hindi mo masagot, pass, pero babalikan natin.
Oo.
Okay.
Wait lang. Magkaka sa later. Ganyan ba?
2 minutes lang ba? 2 minutes
Wait
lang.
lang. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Pero kung maraming pass, 3 minutes.
Oo.
Game.
Magdagdag tayo ng another video.
Basta mag-choice lang yan.
Oo. Game. 1. Wait.
Ready?
Set, go.
Ay, teka lang, may tugtog kasi. Ano yan? Pause mo muna.
Saan ba ito?
Baliktad yung... Yung gitna. Hindi pa. Yan. Okay, game.
Wait lang.
Ready?
2 minutes. Game. 1, 2, 3, go.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off!
Best time for sex?
Oh my God. At dawn.
Best position?
Ano yung position?
Mabagal o mabilis?
Mabagal.
Yes or no? Do you masturbate?
No.
Malaki o maliit?
Malaki!
What was the sexiest thing said about you?
Pass.
Sino unang natatapos sa inyo?
Ako!
How much time do you spend in the bathroom?
5 minutes?
When was the last time you flirted with someone?
Years. Years.
If you could be someone, who would you be and why?
Pass.
Okay, what is the biggest misconception about you?
Maldita.
What makes you happy?
You.
Lumulunok ka ba?
No.
When was the last time you drunk and black out?
Never.
Never. Ano ang unang tinitignan mo sa taong first time mong ma-meet?
Sa physical? Mata.
Ano ang mga bagay na hindi mo tinitipid?
Pagkain.
Ilan na ang naging ex mo?
4.
What is the funniest way you've ever broken the law?
Never broken. Nag-CR sa lalaki.
Sir, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Do you like it when I touch your face?
Yes.
Do you like to cuddle?
Of course.
Would you ever go skinny dipping?
Ayan.
Done.
Dahil.
Done.
Ipatapos yung questions, ang dami ko eh.
Skinny dippy. Ano yung tea?
Hindi ko alam.
Naked.
Ah?
Naked.
I know.
Ulit. Second.
When was your most romantic kiss?
Pass.
Tapos, ano pa ba? What's the most beautiful place you've ever seen?
Pass.
What was your fondest memory with your fiancé?
Eating foods. Food trips. Travel.
What was your feeling when you had your first kiss?
Heaven.
Where is your favorite place to massage?
Massage.
Sa katawan na.
Head.
Which part of your body you feel more intense into tickle? Tickle. Saan ka na nakikinig? Ay, dito. Oo. Yes, what part of your fiancé's body he most like?
Most like.
Ano pinakagusto niya sa'yo? Yung katawan, parte ng katawan niya.
Lahat.
Oh!
What do you see when you close your eyes kissing him?
Paradise.
What is your favorite sexual feature of him?